COVID cases crossing at least 6,000 mark in the city of Chennai. The Civic Body in the city plans to relocate the residents from the congested areas to the community centers. The main reason given by the official is that these areas are densely populated and hence it is becoming extremely difficult right now to enforce the social distancing norms. Additionally, according to the authorities, 75% of the rise in infection has been reported from the containment zones, mainly because people are not observing the social distancing norms. Let me bring in my colleague Pramod for further updates on this. Pramod, can you take us through the details of this decision that has been taken by the Civic Body in Chennai to further contain the situation? How many people are they expecting to relocate to other community centers?
Certainly, even though the Chief Minister actually said that the infections would come down very soon, unfortunately it's been 15 days and the infection is only on the rise, and right now we have 11,000 and plus cases from the state of Tamil Nadu, and of that more than 50%, that is 6,750 is from Chennai alone, of which 5,250 are active cases, and we're currently at a location called as Rayapuram, which is in North Chennai. The issue here is that this is one of the places where we have 859 positive cases, and this is where the actual special nodal officer Radhakrishnan has come forward and said that they are planning to actually relocate people from this area, mainly because this is a completely there is a according to his words, this population is too much and you cannot actually maintain social distancing, and that's the reason they claim they are finding it extremely difficult to contain this infection in such kind of spot. In fact, in this area you could see how not many people are wearing masks or maintaining social distancing. It's very unfortunate, but they claim that the Chennai Corporation has decided to do so because they don't find any other kind of way. In Chennai alone, we have Thenampet, we have Kodambakam, but Royapuram, Tiruvika Nagar are much more affected areas, and that's the reason it seems like they're trying to move the people from this spot to community halls, and the corporation has also been advised to provide them with nutritious food so that they can be maintained in that spot. Now these are not positive patients. The general public are supposed to be moved from this area to make sure they can contain the infection and reduce the number. So such new plans have also been created by the Chennai Corporation, specifically designed for Chennai alone this for now, to make sure they can bring down the numbers, which the Chennai Corporation is extremely struggling to do so.
All right, Pramod, as you pointed out, that this is an attempt to ensure that people are vacated from the areas which are densely populated. Does the corporation have an estimate of how many people they are expected to relocate to the community centers? As you pointed out, densely populated areas like Royapuram, Thenampet, how many people are expected to be relocated to the community centers?
Well, currently Chennai has 15 zones, of which we are having 712 containment areas, and these are locations just like you see right now. There will be a number of cases could range from 20 to 80. What Chennai Corporation currently has done is that it has employed 16,000 frontline workers to go ahead and collect the data, but however from the local area also they were also able to find out about such locations. They have pinpointed certain areas. For example, this is a location called as Pudumane Kuppam. There is another place called Jiva Nagar in Royapuram itself, and these are the places that right now they are trying to contain it because the numbers on the rise over here, and as you could see right in front of us, only as they see us, they are trying to wear a mask and such. We are not sure whether they're not taking it seriously or not, or they are unable to actually maintain social distancing because of the lack of space or such. So these are the ones that has pushed it over, and what they are currently doing is that depending on the availability of community halls, they are trying to move a population, keep them for a certain amount of days and send them back, and then they are moving another population. If the number decreases, they're they are moving to the another location. Okay. So this seems to be on the ground immediate plans and not anything verify so that way they are trying to do it now.
All right, Pramod, many thanks for joining us and giving us all those updates.